Hey, what's going on? So in today's video, I'm going to be installing a deadbolt in this door. I just got this brand new DeWalt door lock installation kit. I had an Irwin one. It's really old and the bits are all worn out and the thing doesn't really work very well. So I saw this one online. I picked this up off Amazon. I'll put a link for this down in the video description. This one just looked a lot more heavy duty than mine. So I'm really interested to check it out. So here we go. Alright, so taking it out of the packaging, there is a centering bit, and it comes with 2 hole saws, and this thing, which clamps onto the door. That's pretty neat. Let's see, how do I get this apart? Boy, this is not frustration-free packaging, I'll tell you that. You ever seen that written on something before? Alright, so I got those out. There's nothing in that box. So this can be set up for different size doors. On the side here, you see this is for 1 3/4. I assume this spins or something. Oh, it goes that way. So there's 1 3/4 door or 1 3/8 door. So let's measure this door, see what we got. It's 1 3/8. So I'm going to set that on the 1 3/8 one. Boom, like that. All right, now 2 3/8, is that right? I'm just gonna eyeball it with this. Yes, that's 2 3/8. It should be 2 3/4, I think is the other one. Let's check that out. 2 3/4 is the other one. But we're gonna keep it on 2 3/8. All right, pop that back in. And then all I'm gonna do, I measured up 6 inches from the center of the old one. I just Googled it and it said they're either usually 6 inches or 12 inches above the handle. So I'm gonna set that on like that, crank this down, and all I'm doing is eyeballing to the center of that hole. Oh, you can see my pencil mark in there in the center. And so that's all screwed on. I really like this, how this mounts to this with this clamp. My old one just kind of like set it on there, and then there was 2 screws that screwed in where like these 2 screws go, and that's what held it. But this is much more secure. I like this a lot. All right, so this is the entire instructions that it sends. Set guide to proper backset door and thickness, mark height on door, clamp guide to door, drill latch bore and hole and face bore hole, backset hole, install door lock. They don't give any real instructions to this, so I've already explained more than the instructions explain. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is drill this one. The reason why I'm going to drill this one first is if I was to drill this one first, it would just drill into the wood and nothing would happen. But if I drill this one first, then this chunk will come out, and then when I drill the second one, then that will drill into the hole and it'll come right out. All right, just gonna mount it in my drill here. And here we go. We want to make sure we're drilling in straight, not up and down, not left and right, straight through the door. All right, so to get the wood out of there, you're just going to use a screwdriver in that slot, and then in that slot. Boom, there you go. And then this is going to be really hot. Mine's been sitting for a minute, so you're not going to be able to probably do this by hand. So you have to put a screwdriver in there, put it on the lower setting here, and we're going to unscrew it like that. And that'll snap it free, and then you can unscrew it. And then we're going to put the smaller one on, and now we're going to drill in the edge of the door. Same thing, want to be going in straight. And same thing, we're going to pop that up like this as it goes. Let's switch to the other side. I like how they did that. They put this one slot lower and one slot higher. They thought that through, because this is normally really hard to get out. Okay, and we just unclamp this. All right. All right, so that's how that works. If you got anything out of this video, give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe for more tips like this. And if you want to see the video of me putting the deadbolt in, I'll make another video with that next. All right, thanks for watching. See you on the next video.